Frightened, Ibn Muljam stood before Imam Ali. He had tried to run and was now breathing heavily, and Imam Ali could see he was thirsty. At this time, milk was brought for Imam Ali. He looked at the milk and said, "Give a glass of milk to Ibn Muljam. He is very thirsty." The milk was given to the culprit. He gratefully drank it and quenched his thirst. When Ibn Muljam, may Allah curse him, was brought before Amir al-Mu'mineen for judgment, he looked at him and said, "A life for a life. If I die, kill him as he killed me. If I live, I will consider my judgment on him." The moral of the story is that to have mercy upon even your worst enemy is a great, noble act.